Here are 15 AI tools that are so powerful, they could genuinely help you make your first $1 million by 2026. And no, I'm not just talking about ChatGo. I've spent hundreds of hours testing the latest AI, and these are the secret weapons the top 1% are using to get ahead. The last tool on this list can literally build a full software application from just a text prompt. You need to see this. Let's start with a tool that will save you hundreds of hours. It's called Fathom. Fathom is an AI meeting assistant that records, transcribes, and summarizes all your calls. It automatically identifies action items and generates notes, so you can stop wasting time writing everything down and focus on the conversation. Imagine finishing a sales call and having a perfect summary and follow-up email ready to go. It's a game changer for anyone who spends time in meetings. Next up, automation. You've probably heard of Zapier, the king of workflow automation. It connects thousands of apps so you can create zaps that handle repetitive tasks automatically. For example, when a new lead comes in through a form, Zapier can instantly add them to your CRM, send a welcome email, and notify your sales team in Slack. It's the glue that holds a modern business together. But what if you need more advanced, decision-based automation? That's where Gumloop comes in. It's like Zapier on steroids. Gumloop allows you to build complex workflows that use AI to make decisions. For instance, it can analyze incoming customer support tickets, determine their urgency and topic using AI, and then route them to the right person with a suggested reply. This is next-level efficiency. For all the developers out there, you need to know about Cursor. This is an AI-powered code editor built from the ground up to integrate with AI. It can help you write, debug, and understand code faster than ever before. You can highlight a block of code and ask the AI to refactor it, find bugs, or explain what it does. It's like having a senior developer pair programming with you 24/7. Now for research. Google just released Notebookem, and it's incredible. You feed it your documents, research papers, or notes, and it becomes an expert on that information. You can ask it complex questions, have it summarize key findings, or even generate new ideas based on your source material. It is like having a personal research assistant that has perfectly read and understood everything you've given it. Speaking of research, have you ever felt limited by ChatGap's knowledge cutoff? There's a custom GPT called ChatGoat Deep Research that solves this. It performs real-time web searches across multiple sources, analyzes the findings, and gives you a comprehensive, cited report on any topic. This is indispensable for market research, content creation, and staying ahead of trends. Of course, we have to talk about the latest large language models. Claude 3, specifically the Sonnet model, is a powerhouse for writing and deep text analysis. Its ability to understand nuance and context is astonishing. I use it for drafting complex business proposals, writing long-form articles, and even brainstorming creative marketing angles. Its reasoning capabilities are often better than GPT-4 for certain tasks. So you have a website, but are you converting visitors into customers? Revio is an SEO pilot that helps you do just that. It analyzes your website as user sessions and your live chat conversations to identify where people are dropping off. Then it gives you concrete suggestions on how to improve your copy, design, and user flow to boost conversions. It's like having a conversion rate optimization expert on your team. Internal communication can be a huge time sink. That's where ChatAid comes in. This AI assistant integrates with your company's Slack and learns from your internal documents, past conversations, and knowledge bases. New hires can ask it, "How do I submit an expense report?" and get an instant, accurate answer. It frees up your team from answering the same questions over and over again. Running ads is crucial for growth, but creating effective ad variations is tough. Enter Icon. This AI ad generator is a creative powerhouse. You give it your product information and target audience, and it generates hundreds of ad variations, different images, headlines, and copy in minutes. You can then test them all to find the winning combinations that bring in customers at the lowest cost. What about presentations? Nobody likes making them. Gamma is an AI that generates beautiful, engaging pitch decks and presentations from a simple text prompt. You just type out your main points, and Gamma designs the slides, finds relevant images, and lays everything out professionally. You can create a stunning pitch deck for investors in under 10 minutes. Data is useless without insights. Precision is an AI-powered business analytics dashboard that connects to all your data sources, your sales, marketing, and finance platforms. It doesn't just show you charts. It uses AI to surface key insights, identify trends you might have missed, and even predict future performance. It tells you the story behind your numbers. Speed to lead is everything in sales. Atlas is an AI voice agent that can call your new leads within seconds of them filling out a form. It can qualify them, answer initial questions, and even book a meeting with a human salesperson, all with a remarkably natural-sounding voice. This ensures you never miss an opportunity because you were too slow to follow up. For the power users who want ultimate control over their automations, there's an 8N. It's an open-source, more technical alternative to Zapier. It allows you to build incredibly sophisticated, multi-step workflows that can be self-hosted for privacy and cost savings. If you can dream up an automation, you can probably build it with N8N. And finally, the most mind-blowing tool on this list, Lovable. This is not just an AI assistant, it's an AI developer. You describe the application you want to build in plain English, and Lovable's AI agents will write the code, design the user interface, and build a fully functional web app for you. We're talking about creating real, sellable software products from a text prompt. This technology is going to change everything. These 15 tools aren't just cool gadgets. They are force multipliers for your effort. By automating tasks, providing deep insights, and building things for you, they give you the leverage to achieve things that were impossible just a few years ago. Start integrating these into your workflow now, and you'll be on the fast track to hitting your biggest goals. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more on how to use AI to build your future.